bounds.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to join two or more videos together. So let's get started. First you have to go in Play Store. Type here Power Director. As you can see, now open it. Once it open, you can see here three options: tutorials, new project, produce videos. Click on new project. Select any project name. For example, I selected IK. Click on OK. Choose the video which you want to join. So for example, I have chosen my intro. Now choose the second video. This one. Now I'll show you. As you can see, both videos are joined. So let's save it. Click on the right side first option, produce video. There are four options. Click on first option, save to gallery. As you can see, three options are there: full HD, HD, SD. So I've chosen HD. You can choose full HD or SD. Click on produce. As you can see, your video is saving. So once this process is over, your video will be saved. Click on OK. Now your video has been saved in albums. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye.